20 things to know about the new parliament. Point number 1. The new building is triangular in shape, mostly because the plot of land that is built on is a triangle. According to the architect Bimal Patel, the shape is also a nod to the sacred geometry in different religion. Its design and material are meant to complement the old parliament, with the two buildings accepted to function as an one complex. Number 2. The new parliament building has three-story a building up area of 64,500 square meter. The Lok Sabha chamber will have 888 seats, up from the existing 543, with the option expanded seating upon 1,272. The Lok Sabha will be used for the joint seating of both houses will be used for the absence of a central hall, which was the fulcrum of the old building. Number 3. The Rajya Sabha chamber can accommodate 384 members of the parliament (MPs) as opposed to the existing capacity of 250. The increased capacity of both chambers is meant to cater to any further increase in the number of the MPs following delimitation. Number 4. The building has three ceremonial entrances on the three sides for the President, the Vice President, and the Lok Sabha Speaker and the Prime Minister. The entrance for the public, including the visitors for the Parliament tour, is likely to be on the Parliament Street near tour is likely to be on Parliament. And the Press Trust of the India building, where a temporary reception has been functioning throughout the constitutional period. Number 5. Built using green construction techniques, the new building is supposed to reduce electricity consumption by 30% compared to the old one. Rainwater harvesting and the water recycling system have been included. It has been designed to be the more space efficient and mean to function for the next 150 years, according to the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Number 6. As per the building codes, since Delhi is a seismic zone 5, the building is primed to be the earthquake safe. While arguing against the legal challenges to the project, the government has said the existing parliament building was at risk from earthquakes. Number 7. The new Lok Sabha chamber has a peacock theme with the design drawn from the national bird feather carved on the walls and the ceiling, complemented by the real carpets. The Rajya Sabha chamber has been decorated with the lotus as its theme with the red carpets. In both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, two MPs will able to sit on one bench, and each MP will have touch a screen on the text. Number 8. The new building has a constitutional hall where the journey of the Indian democracy has been documented. Number 9. MPs will have access to a lounge, dining hall, and library. The building opens into a central courtyard with a banyan tree. Number 10. There are 6 new committee rooms in the new building as opposed to the 3 in the old building. In addition, there are 92 rooms as offices for the Council of Ministers. Number 12. The 16-foot tall bronze statue of Mahatma Gandhi, which has been site of numerous protests and gathering by the MPs and the photo opposition for the students, will remain on the lawn between the old and the new building. The statue, which was installed at the main entrance of the parliament in 1993, was sited during the concentration made by the Padma Bhushan awardee sculptor Ram V. Sutra. Number 13. The building is replete with the national symbols, including the national emblem, the lion capital of Asoka. It weighs 9,500 kg and it is 6.5 meter in height and is visible from a distance to support the massive bronze sculpture. A sculpture of 6,500 kg was constructed on the top of the central foyer. Number 15. A golden scepter given to the Jawaharlal Nehru on the eve of the independence to mark the transfer of power from British will sit in the new Lok Sabha chamber near the speaker's podium. The scepter was given to him by the priest from Tamil Nadu. Number 16. The contribution of around 60,000 workers on site and in various locations across the country can be seen in the new building. Since the building was constructed during the pandemic, health clinics and vaccination camps were organized for the worker at the site of and the labor camps.